Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad juice. To begin, select a vibrant array of fresh, organic vegetables. Think about incorporating leafy greens like spinach and kale, along with hydrating options such as cucumber and celery. For a touch of sweetness and acidity, consider adding a green apple or a lemon. Always remember to thoroughly wash all your produce to remove any dirt or residues before moving to the next step. Now that your ingredients are clean, it is time for preparation. For optimal juicing, chop larger items like cucumbers and celery into pieces that easily fit your juicer's chute. Make sure to remove any hard seeds from apples or tough stems from greens. Aim to prepare approximately 2 pounds of mixed produce. This amount typically yields about 16 to 20 ounces of delicious, nutrient-rich juice. With your produce prepped, it is time to start juicing. Turn on your juicer and begin feeding the ingredients slowly into the chute. A helpful tip is to alternate between harder vegetables like carrots or celery and softer greens such as spinach or kale. This technique helps to maximize juice extraction and prevent clogging. Watch as your vibrant, fresh salad juice flows into your waiting glass or pitcher. Congratulations, you have made your very own fresh salad juice. For the highest nutritional benefit, it is best to enjoy your juice immediately after preparation. If you have any leftover, pour it into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. For optimal taste and nutrient retention, try to consume any stored juice within 24 to 48 hours. Cheers to your health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.